Hello guys, I'm back. Today I will talk to you about the relationship between chemical process engineering and process safety. My name is Jeferson Costa and I teach students, graduates and engineers how to work with chemical process engineering and plant design. Follow my profile and like this video to get hundreds of contents related to chemical process engineering and plant design. In your roles as a chemical process engineer working with plant design, you will need to do the sizing, selection, evaluation of equipment and process to define the one that best fits for your company. But we are not able to disassociate to forget about the process safety, although in some companies we have this discipline as a standalone discipline. So in bigger companies, most often we have a process safety engineer dedicated to this discipline. In others, the chemical process engineer, besides doing the plant design or the plant operations, they are responsible also for any kind of process safety evaluation. So although we are not, you cannot be or you may not be the main responsible for process safety, every time that you are doing your plant design, you must think about process safety. And there are two moments that we look for process safety in a more methodology way. The first one is during the design phase of the process, where we have already defined the piping instrumentation diagram, most of them at least, and we have the main information available from the suppliers, from the customer, from the stakeholders, and etc. So in this moment, as we are still in the design phase, we look for a methodology to prevent future accidents or incidents. So the main purpose here is to evaluate the process in a way that we can identify possible causes of failure and add to the plan design devices to mitigate or to prevent the cause of failure. Another moment to think about process safety in operations all the time, but is when we have an incident or accident in the process. In this way, instead of using the HAZOP methodology that is most often used during the design phase of the project and in the review of the process of an existing industrial facility, we need to use another kind of methodology to evaluate what happened and to propose solutions for that. And one of these methodologies is the root cause analysis. So if you have a fail in your system, a PSV did not open, or there was a high pressure and because of that there was a rupture in something, or a low temperature and the break of some component, instead of using the HAZOP to evaluate this event, we use another kind of methodology, and one of them is the root cause analysis. So what is the main purpose of the root cause analysis? Once we already have the fail, we have the hazard condition that happened, we need to come back from the event, the fail event, and we must come back to find what was the cause. It's important to use in this kind of methodology. The operations should participate in your team, and with the expertise of the disciplines that is related to what happened, you will find the most probable cause of that, and you must guarantee that something is done to prevent that it happens again. And that is very important. You should never, as a chemical process engineer working with operations or in plant design supporting operations, return to equipment for operations after a fail, incident or accident without understanding what happened to be able to prevent that to happen again. Because if you get deeper into the theory of process safety, you will verify that to get an accident, hurt someone in the process, you had a series of incidents that are fails that happens but do not hurt anyone. And you don't want to get anyone hurt in your process, in your industrial facility, because that is not good for anyone, not for the employee, not for the team, not for the company. So here I would like to share with you that although we are responsible for doing the sizing, selection, and evaluation of the process, eventually you will get yourself involved with causes with accident and incident analysis. And one of the methodology to do that is the root cause analysis, where the main purpose is to find out what really happened to occur, to the fail occur, and with that propose a solution to prevent it from happening anymore. So guys, this is it. I hope you like it, and I'll see you soon in the next video.